coronavirus spreading nowadays and the recommendation from the CDC to use face mask and to cover your face when you go outside, there are a lot of videos out there that shows you how to make a mask from a regular cloth and how to sew it and how to fold it. What I thought of is not using a regular cloth, rather using a high-end house furnace filter, which it have a protection to a lot of particles that are airborne, like smudge, the most important is smudge, bacteria, particles that carry viruses, VOCs, and odor. Now these are have different numbers on them, and you can see this is the DuPont Ultimate 9600, and there is also the 3M 15000, and also the other number you want to look at is this MERV 12 is the minimum efficiency requirement value. This one happened to be 12. The higher this number, the better the filter in giving you a better protection. Now, the way we use this filter, the way I use it, is I basically took it out of the wrapping and unwrapped it, and then when you open it, you can see it unfolds to quite a big piece, and you can make a lot of masks out of this. I found out that the best size to use for adults is about 9 inches by 8 inches. So I use a 25-inch wide, a 25-inch by 20-inch filter. This way, 25, I could simply cut it into 3 pieces. So each piece is going to be a 9 by 8, and I have a piece here that is ready to cut, to made. Now this one here, you just basically fold it any way you want it that will fit you, and then you stitch it out. Now I'm not going to show you how to stitch it out. There are a lot of videos out there. If you don't know how to use a sewing machine, you can learn from different videos how to use a sewing machine. But basically you just fold it and stitch the sides, sew it. This one here, I have an example of one that is ready to go. I already folded it and I stitched it, and you only need to add the elastic bands on the end. Now the elastic bands, you can either add them into the 2 ends that goes around the ear like this one, or you can add it that goes around both ends and you can go around the head. And I found out that the smaller ones, or go around the head, is better with the smaller ones for children because it gives them a better protection and stays longer, and they don't have to keep fixing it all the time. But either one will work. And now this one here I have ready, and I have made a couple of them. You can basically just put it around the neck, around the face, and you spread it out, and now you have a protection from the outside. Now I don't claim that there is any science or medical research or anything into these filters and that will protect you at all. I'm just saying that this is an extra layer, since we use it every day in our houses to protect us from a lot of airborne particles. You might as well use it when we go outside and protect us from the airborne particles outside also. Now, if you're not comfortable using these directly in your face because it have a lot of maybe chemicals or other stuff that you can read on the product itself, you can simply just cut a piece and put it in a cloth mask, and this way you have an extra layer than using just a regular cloth. With this, I want to thank you for watching this video and hope you enjoyed it and will benefit from it. If you like it, please click the like button beneath, and I will thank you. And